this video tutorial, we'll be showing you how to create a wireless access point to perform wireless studies with your Apollo device. From the home screen, navigate to the Administration tab, then to the Wireless Networks tab. Once in the Wireless Networks tab, hit the plus icon to add a wireless network. Once created, you must name your wireless network. In this instance, I'm using a TP-Link router, and I will name it as such. Then you must enter the SSID and password associated with your router. Once this is complete, you can add your connected Apollo device by clicking Add this amplifier to list. Once the Apollo device is recognized, you will now test the wireless network connection to ensure that the Apollo can communicate with the wireless network. This process is automated, and if you notice at the top of the screen, it will say Disconnect USB cable when the time is ready. Once the cable is disconnected, the wireless connection test will resume. No action is required by the user at this time. Once the network connection test is successful, it will ask you to reconnect the USB cable, and you will see a green link icon in the upper right-hand corner, concluding that the test has been effective. Once the test is complete, you can close the wireless connection test window by clicking OK. Now you will browse to the Study Types tab and save the changes you made to the wireless network connection. Once in the Study Types tab, you can add a new study type by clicking the green plus icon at the bottom of the window. Once you add a new study type, you can name it. Select the amplifier to be used. In this case, we are using an Apollo 32. And then check the box to enable wireless. At the bottom of the window, click Save. You have now created a wireless network for your Apollo to communicate with, and you have added a study type for Apollo Wireless. To test your study type, go to the Record tab, and then start a new study to ensure the wireless connection works. When you launch the wireless Apollo recording, before starting, ensure that your wireless status is green. If the wireless status is not enabled, click the icon. This will launch the acquisition settings. If you'd like to enable wireless, click the Enable Wireless checkbox and select the network that you created. Click OK. You will see the wireless status icon turn green and the signal strength also turn green, indicating a quality signal. You may now click the Record button and your traces will show as recording. Once recording, you can disconnect the USB cable from the Apollo device. You will see text telling you that it is trying to reconnect to the wireless signal. After a few seconds, with the Apollo disconnected, the connection will be made and you will see traces resume over the wireless network. Your Apollo device is now free to roam within the wireless range of your enabled wireless device. If you are performing a wireless ambulatory study, ensure that the study type you have created for the wireless ambulatory has the ambulatory study checkbox selected under the general space within that study type. Also, when you go to record a wireless ambulatory study type, when you start the recording, you will have an option under the audio and video selection window to choose your wireless network. Enable wireless network, drop-down menu, and select the wireless network you wish to join. Select OK.